Canceling your Whoop membership is a straightforward process, and here's a simple guide to help you navigate it. Firstly, take note of when you receive your Whoop. If it's within the last 30 days, then you're in luck. Just head over to the return section of the web app to kickstart the cancellation process hassle-free. Now, if it's been more than 30 days since you received your Whoop, then the steps may vary depending on your membership type. So to initiate the cancellation process, just visit the membership section of the web app and look for the cancel your membership link located at the bottom of the page. And click on it, and once initiated, you will encounter specific options on your screen based on your membership type. Just simply follow the provided prompts to complete the cancellation process smoothly. So I just want to add a quick reminder that if you ever change your mind or want to come back to the Whoop community, you have the flexibility to resume your membership after pausing or canceling. Just head back to the membership section of the web app and reactivate it. But please note that if it's been more than 90 days since you paused or canceled, Whoop will go through a calibration period to recreate your baseline and personalize your metrics. And that's it, a smooth journey through the Whoop cancellation process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.